So this presentation is about composition of functions. So let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by the composition of f of g is defined by the composition of f of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, hindi sila pareho no sa multiplication. Magkaiba sila ng sign. So, dito, ibig sabihin, yung given domain is the g of x. So, yung ipapalit mo daw sa value ng x is the g of x. So, the process of obtaining the composite function is called the function composition. Okay, so let's have an example. So, the given is f of x is equal to 4x minus 5. Then, the g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. So, find the composition of f of g of x and the composition of g of f of x. So, unahin muna natin yung composition of f of g of x. Okay. So, dito, yung first letter, which is yung f, meaning yan yung gagamitin natin equation. So, ang equation na gagamitin si 4x minus 5. Then, yung second letter, ibig sabihin, siya yung magiging domain or siya yung ipangpapalit dun sa x. Kaya nasa loob itong si g of x. So, sino ba si g of x? Si x squared plus 4. So, rewrite natin. So, ang ipangpapalit daw sa x is si x squared plus 4. So, dito sa equation na 4x minus 5, so, iti-change natin si x dyan. Magiging x squared plus 4. Okay, so distribute natin si 4. So, 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 4 is 16. Then, bring down c minus 5. Then, next is combine like terms. Ang like terms lang dyan is si 16 tsaka si 5. So, 4x squared plus 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. So, the final answer is 4x squared plus 11. So, ganun lang. Okay, next. The composition of g of f of x. So, binaligtad naman. So, ang gagamitin natin equation ay si g. Then, yung ipampapalit naman sa x or yung magiging domain is si f. Okay, so magiging g of f of x is equal to x squared plus 4. So, ang ginamit na formula dito is x squared plus 4. Okay, so ang ipangpapalit naman or yung magiging domain is si 4x minus 5. So, change natin si x ng 4x minus 5. So, magiging 4x minus 5 squared plus 4. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Si 4x minus 5 squared natin or multiply by itself. So, expand natin yan. So, kapag in-expand mo ngayon yan, ang makukuha mong answer doon is 16x squared minus 4x plus 25. Then, bring down c plus 4. Then, combine like terms. So, ang like terms lang dyan is si 25 and si 4. So, 25 plus 4 is 29. So, the final answer is 16x squared minus 4x plus 29. Okay, so next given. So, meron tayong apat na function. Yung si f, g, p, and q. So, first question, find the composition of q of f of x. So, ang gagamitin mo lang ng mga equation ay si q tsaka si f. So, yung first letter dito na ginamit is q. So, yun yung gagamitin mong equation. Then, yung second letter, si f. So, yan yung magiging domain natin or value ng x. Okay. So, q of f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. So, yan yung equation ni q of x. Then, yung magiging domain natin is si f of x. So, i-change natin into 2x plus 1. So, lahat ng x dito sa x squared minus 2x plus 2, i-change mo ngayon ng 2x plus 1. Okay, so change natin. So, magiging 2x plus 1 squared minus 2 times 2x plus 1 plus 2 again. Change lang natin si x nung 2x plus 1. Okay, so first, expand natin tong si 2x plus 1 squared kasi multiply yan by itself. So, ang makukuha mo answer doon is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so minus si 2 times 2x plus 1 plus 2. So, distribute naman natin tong si negative 2. So, kapag dinistribute yan, magiging 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 4x minus 2 plus 2. Okay, next, combine like terms. Sino-sino ba dyan yung like terms? Itong si 4x, tsaka si negative 4x, then negative 2, then si positive 2. So, pwede na natin i-cancel yon since pareho lang sila. So, cancel natin si 4x, tsaka si negative 4x, then negative 2, tsaka si positive 2. Kasi 0 lang din yung magiging answer niyan. Okay, so ano na lang yung matitira? Si 4x squared plus 1. So, meaning that will be our final answer. Okay, next question is to find the composition of Q of f of positive 2. So, dito nagkaroon na ng value na positive 2. So, again, yung gagamitin natin equation is si Q. Then, yung ipampapalit naman sa x is yung f. So, magiging Q of f of positive 2. So, yung magiging domain natin is f of positive 2. Then, yung gagamitin equation is si x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay, so ang unang gagawin, isosolve mo muna si f of positive 2. Kasi si yung positive 2 na given, nag-a-apply lang yan dun sa domain na f natin. So, kung isosolve natin si f of positive 2, so, f of positive 2 is equal to 2x plus 1. So, ang ginamit natin equation is si f, yung 2x plus 1. So, change natin si x ng positive 2. Magiging 2 times 2 plus 1. So, magiging 4 plus 1 is equal to positive 5. So, si positive 5 ngayon, yung gagamitin natin value doon sa mga x kay q of x. Okay, so ano nga ulit yung equation? X squared minus 2x plus 2. So, ang pangpapalit mo ngayon dito sa mga x is yung nakuha mong f of positive 2, which is positive 5. So, change natin into positive 5. So, magiging 5 squared minus 2 times 5 plus 2. Again, change lang ulit natin yung mga x into positive 5. Then, solve. So, 5 squared is equal to 25. Then, negative 2 times 5 is equal to 10. To negative 10. Then, bring down yung plus 2. So, 25 minus 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. So, meaning 17 is our final answer. Okay, next question. Find the composition of f of p of x. Okay, so ang gagamitin mo daw na equation is si f, and then yung magiging domain mo is si p of x. So, ano ba yung equation ni f of x? So, f of p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so yung pangpapalit daw sa x dito is si p of x. So, ano ba yung p of x? Si 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. So, change na natin yung x. So, magiging 2 times 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, kapag nagmamultiply, ulit, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, multiply natin si 2 doon sa numerator na 2x plus 1. So, distribute natin yan. So, 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2 over x minus 1. Then, plus 1. Okay, so paano naman natin i-add itong si plus 1 dito kay 4x plus 2 over x minus 1? So, get the LCD. So, ang LCD dito or yung denominator nila is x minus 1 lang. So, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal lang yun kay 1, times 4x plus 2. So, kaya merong 4x plus 2 dyan. Plus, x minus 1. So, ang denominator ni 1 dyan is 1 din. X minus 1 divided by 1 is x minus 1. Then, times 1, ganun pa rin. X minus 1 pa rin yung kalalabasan. Okay, next is to combine like terms. Ano-ano ba yung like terms dyan sa numerator? Itong si 4x tsaka si x. So, 4x plus x is 5x. Then, 2 plus negative 1 is positive 1. So, over, ang denominator is x minus 1. The final answer is 5x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, next. So, find the composition of f of x. So, sabi dito, ang gagamitin mong equation is si f. Then, yung ipampapalit mo naman sa mga x daw nung f is si f of x pa rin. So, ano ba yung equation yan? 2x plus 1. So, ang ipapalit mo sa x is still 2x plus 1 pa rin. So, kung i-change na natin or i-substitute na natin si 2x plus 1 doon sa x, magiging 2 times 2x plus 1 plus 1. So, distribute natin si 2. So, magiging 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. Then, bring down si plus 1. So, combine like terms. Ang like terms dyan is si 2 at 1 lang. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, the final answer is 4x plus 3. Okay, so next, find the composition of P of f of positive 3. So, meron na ulit value si x, which is positive 3. So, ang gagamitin natin equation is si P. Then, yung ipampapalit naman sa x is si f of positive 3. So, ang first step is to solve for the f of positive 3. So, ano ba yung f of positive 3? So, magiging 2 times x plus 1. So, si x, papalitan natin ng 3. Magiging 2 times 3 plus 1 is equal to positive 7. So, kapag nakuha mo na si f of positive 3, so, yung makukuha mo answer doon, ipangpapalit mo ngayon doon sa x ni P. So, ano ba yung P? Si 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. So, change natin ng positive 7, lahat ng x. Magiging 2 times 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 1. So, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 over 7 minus 1 is 6. So, 14 plus 1 is 15 over 6. And lowest term ng 15 over 6 is 5 over 2. So, the final answer is 5 over 2. Okay, next, find the composition of g of f of negative 2. So, ang papalit mo daw sa x is negative 2. So, ang gagamitin mo equation dyan is si g. Then, yung value or yung domain dito is si f of negative 2. Okay, so change muna natin or solve muna natin si f of negative 2. So, ang formula or equation ni f is 2x plus 1. So, change natin into negative 2. 2 times negative 2 plus 1. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Then, bring down si plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1 is equal to negative 3. So, si negative 3 ngayon, yung ilalagay nyo dun sa mga x nung g. Okay, so ano ba yung g? Yung absolute value of x plus 1. So, since ang nakuha mo is negative 3, so yun yung ilalagay mo doon sa x. So, magiging absolute value of negative 3 plus 1. So, since absolute value siya, ibig sabihin, magiging positive na yan. So, positive 3 plus 1 is equal to positive 4. So the final answer is positive 4.